Today we study economic botany. In economic botany we study spices. Today we study turmeric. Botanical name of turmeric, Curcuma longa, belongs to family Gingiberaceae. Native and origin place is Southeast Asia. The plant part which we use known as rhizome. In India, it is grown in area of around 1.05 lakh hectare. India is known as the largest producer of turmeric. The main states in which turmeric grown, Andhra Pradesh is the leading state, followed by Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Kerala and Bihar. Climate for the turmeric. It is a tropical herbaceous, grows well in around 1200 meter, requires warm and moist climate, very favorable, rainfall around 100 to 200 centimeter, and temperature range preferable around 20 to 300 degrees Celsius. Soils can be grown on various soils. Best and well drained, rich sandy and clay loam soils very favorable. Crop stands neither waterlogging nor alkalinity. Both conditions very dangerous for turmeric growing, waterlogging conditions and alkalinity. According to time of sowing, three types varieties: short duration varieties, mid duration and long duration varieties. Turmeric, also known as a golden spice, as well as the spice of life. Family Gingiberaceae consists of about 110 species native of tropical South Asia. Major exporters of turmeric, India is the largest exporter of turmeric. Thailand and other Southeast Asian countries, Taiwan, various Pacific islands, Central and Latin American countries also major exporters of turmeric. Major importers of turmeric, Japan, Sri Lanka, Iran, US, UK, Middle Eastern countries, North African countries, Ethiopia. Various types of products which can be produced from turmeric cultivation: fresh turmeric, dry turmeric, ground turmeric, turmeric oil, turmeric oleoresin, curcumin, curry powders, etc. In this picture, we seen harvesting process of turmeric. Again we see the processing of harvesting, curing, washing of turmeric. Post-harvesting treatment. Harvested turmeric is washed well to remove the adhering soil, roots removed, and the finger turmeric and mother's turmerics are separated from. Curing. After post-harvesting treatment, boiling fresh rhizomes in water until they soft before drying. Boiling process remove the raw odor, reduce drying time and yields a uniformly colored product of turmeric. Removes the raw color, reduce dry time, gelatinize the starch and give the turmeric a more uniform color. In this picture, we saw the drying process of turmeric. Dry in the open in 5 to 7 centimeter thick layers on uncoated plain bamboo mats or concrete drying floor. It may take 10 to 15 days to rhizome to become completely dry. Drying using cross flow hot air at a maximum temperature of 16 degrees Celsius also very useful. It should be dried on a clean surfaces to ensure that the product does not get contaminated by any extraneous matter. Artificial drying gives a brighter product than sun drying. When the dried finger breaks cleanly with a metallic sound, that means it is sufficiently dry. After drying, the next process is the polishing of turmeric. Dried turmeric has a rough appearance and a dull surface color. Polishing removes the surface roughness by getting rid of the surface scales, the small rootlets, and any remaining soil particles. Polishing also done by manual or mechanical means. Applications as a colorant, flavorant, and it is a preservative action. Manufacture of curcumin and its use in ice creams, gelatins, lemonades, and liquors. Very useful. Also used in cosmetic products like bathing soaps, body cream, lotion, powders. Ground turmeric is a classic addition to chutneys and pickles. As coloring material for cereal based products, cheese, dry mixes, salad dressings, winter butter, and margarine. Turmeric is also used in coloring butter, cheese, and vanaspati. It is used in various types of delicacies, coloring material for cereal based products. This also we discuss. Medicinal properties of turmeric as an antioxidant, very useful, used to treat arthritis, used for cancer treatment, improved the liver function, very useful, various type of cardiovascular disease and protection, used for headache, lung infection. Other uses include Alzheimer's disease, depression, worms and kidney problems. Also turmeric is very useful. Some other therapeutic effects of turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, analgesic, antimicrobial, very useful in microbial conditions, anti-cancer treatment, activity against peptic ulcer and dyspepsia, anti-acne, aging related problems, brain protector. Thanks.